What is up, Math and Easy fans? Today we have a banger. This is Friday night, and of course there's a banger on Friday nights. And here we see wrong plus wrong equals right, which is not always true, although it is often true in mathematics. But today, as you know by the title, we are doing cryptarithms, or cryptarithms. I don't even know how to pronounce that word. But what I do know is that I figured out that these things exist like a month ago, and since then I've loved them very much. So I feel like this is well overdue to do a Friday night banger on this topic. So basically, what this is it's like each of these letters represents a different digit from 0 to 9. It can't, nothing can start with a 0. And you gotta kind of decode it. It's kind of a fun little puzzle, but it's kind of mathy, and it's really epic. But it's mostly logic. So, and you're usually given something, because this actually has 21 solutions. But you are given, in this I'm going to give us 3 equals W, and 8 equals G. And there is only one solution like this, okay? So, now, let's do it. So we're going to have 3 here, we're going to have 3 here, and we're going to have 8, and then here there's another 8. Okay. So where do we go from here? Well, I see a pretty good place to start. 8 plus 8 is 16. So we're going to have a 6, carry 1. So t equals 6, and that's kind of certain because this kind of doesn't change because we're given that, right? Okay, epic. Now what to do? Well, look at this other thing. We have a 3 plus 3 here. So we might be tempted this is going to definitely equal 6, but it could also equal 7 because if we had to carry 1 from the last column, we could do that too. Now, would it equal 6 or would it equal 7? Well, if it was to equal 6, these are also R's. So these would also have to be 6, and then it would be 12, so you would carry a 1, and this would be a 7 anyways. So that doesn't work, so I guess we have to have a 7. That would make this 4, carry 1, and make it a 7. Perfecto. Okay, now, next step is, well, what is the next step? We got to use some more of our epic logical skills to do this. So how can we get an 8? I think that's a good place to start again. Well, there's a lot of different ways. You know, we can go like a 9, 9, and it would be an 18 kind of thing, but then it would kind of ruin our 4 over here. Let's list right now. Let's list what digits we haven't used. We haven't used 0. We haven't used 1 because this is kind of just a carried 1. We have not used 2. We have not used. We've used 3, 4. We have not used 5. We've used 6, 7, 8. Not used 9. So these are still completely free and available. Now using these, how can we make an 8? Well, I mean, we have no 4 here, so we got to have a 9 and make 18 and carry 1. And then we would carry 1 here, and that would actually make this into a 5, which seems kind of weird, but you know, 5 is also free, so that's perfectly acceptable. So now our list shrinks to 0, 1, 2, and 4. And now we just have this. And we gotta find this out in a way that is epic. Whew. So let's just test some of these numbers. Well, if I get like 1, 4, 4, I'm going to have a 9 there, not good. If I get 1, 2, 2, I'm going to have a 5 there, also not good. If I get 1, 1, 1, I'm going to have a 3, not good. 1, 0, 0, well, I'll have a 1. I still have a 1 available. So, and then we get a 1. Because we carried from over here. And we can see this is this mathematical puzzle decoded. This was really a banger. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, Math and Easy fans.